What's good, everybody? Maliko Washington Landscaping here. As you can see, I've got a small tree, probably about 20 feet. And also what you see here is my Cobalt Brushless 40V Max pole saw. And I've had this here for about probably going on 4 seasons, and it's never ever failed me. I've cut logs this big with it, crazy stuff. So we're gonna put this thing to work today. Y'all tune in and I'm gonna get to work. A little bit of a lean, so let's see. You can knock it that way. Yeah, we'll do it that way. Maliko Washington Landscaping, I appreciate y'all watching. Cobalt, I appreciate you for all the hard work, buddy. Peace.